Kate Winslet is an actress from the United Kingdom. Whose most successful film appearance was in the greatest epic romance-disaster film of all time, Titanic. Early life. Kate Elizabeth Wіnձlеt was born on October 5, 1975 in Reading, United Kingdom. Her father Rogеr Wіnձlеt acted in a few films and series, and her mother is Ẓallу Wrіdgеظ Wіnձlеt. Kate Winslet has one brother and two sisters, Јоઝ્ Wіnձlеt, actress Anna Wіnձlеt, and actress Veth Wіnձlеt. Kate lived in a poor environment when she was a child. Kate Winslet studied at the Red Roofs Theatre School. Personal life. Kate Winslet's first marriage was in 1998 to the director Јīm Threapleton, and they got divorced in 2001. Kate and Jim are the parents of one daughter, Mia Honey Threapleton. Her second marriage was in 2003 to the stage and film director Sam Mendes, and they got divorced in 2011. After a year of separation, Kate and Sam gave birth to one son, Ẓallુ Wrіdgеظ Mendes, and he was born on December 22, 2003. Since 2012, Kate Winslet has been married to Untitled Chapter. The couple gave birth to one son, Earlу Wrіdgеظ, and he was born on December 7, 2013. Age, height and weight. Being born on 5 October 1975, Kate Winslet is 46 years old as of today's date, 2 January 2022. Her height is 1.69 meter tall and her body weight is 65 kg. Career. Kate Winslet did several stage performances when she was a child at a school and theatres. She made her TV major role debut in 1991 in a series called Dark Season. Then Kate appeared in an episode of Anglo-Saxon Attitudes series, an episode of a series called Casualty, followed by a major role in a comedy series called Get Back. Kate Winslet has been taking on several TV films major role since the crime drama film Heavenly Creatures, which was released in 1994. She appeared in A Kid in King Arthur Court, Sense and Sensibility, Judge and a Hamlet. After that several appearances, Kate experienced super commercial success in the most popular film of all time, Titanic. Net worth and salary. As of January 2022, Kate Winslet has an estimated net worth of more than $50 million. She made her fortune from the great TV films she's been appearing in. Kate Winslet's salary of Titanic was only $2 million, but she earned $4 million for the holiday, more than $7 million for Contagion, and around $5 million for Divergent. Kate Winslet is one of the greatest actresses of all time. She experienced a commercial and a worldwide success for appearing in Titanic. Her 2017 films including The Mountain Between US and Wonder Wheel. Kate Winslet is married to Ned Rock'n'Roll and they are happily living together.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.